So what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to do a video for XRP. It's been a while. We don't have a price prediction on our chart, so I'm going to come through today and show you what I think the market is going to do without any confusion. So welcome everyone to this channel. This is what we do here. Go back and check out all the other videos that we have on this platform. You guys will begin to see that it is very doable to go ahead and predict prices without the confusion. So if you guys want to join me, make sure you guys tap that bell notification as well, so you do not miss out on my content. So XRP. First question, what is the trend of XRP? Is it trending higher or is it trending lower right now? Looking at the price bars from a daily time frame, it looked like the price in XRP is trending down. So generally the broad view of XRP is that the cryptocurrency is weak. It is what it is. There will be times where price goes down. There will be times when the price goes up. This is just that particular market cycle to where price is going down. It's not negative. It's not bad. It's just the dynamics of market cycles. Okay. So if we're looking at this from a general overview and we see that price is trending down, automatically our mentality needs to say, okay, I'm going to lean more towards the sellers winning against the buyers. Let's look at XRP real quick on the 2, because this area right here is going to be real important for us to get an answer as to whether or not XRP is going to continue to trade and have the ability to go up, or will we see a bigger breakdown to the downside? We are about to embark on this lesson right now, and a lot of people probably don't even see it, because you can only allow people to come in and buy certain areas so often. So when the price in XRP initially came to this buy pocket, right, in December, everyone was amped. We just got off of a massive move to the upside. So people became buyers, right? Market held that area. And then the price in XRP ran up again. People were ecstatic. People were feeling great. People were getting even more greedy that XRP is going to continue to go higher. So that when February the 3rd came, they were like, cool, we're right back at the spot that I initially bought XRP when we saw this massive run up in the mid-January. Let me buy more. So they did. But as you can tell, we really didn't see that breakout move in XRP. The market got rejected right there at this sell pocket twice. So you can kind of see the switch, the sentiment of the market in XRP is changing. And you can only have people buy so often before the market ultimately tries to find another place of value, which is going to be below this buy pocket, $1.50, maybe $1.25, all the way back down to $1. It looks to me like the market buyers are getting tired of buying XRP within this $1.89 to $2.06 area. They're getting tired. They run out of money. So let's look at XRP on the 2. Okay, so we have 7 hours and 55 minutes left on this current 2-day price bar, right? Right here. And we're testing this buy pocket yet again. And we can see that the general trend in XRP has been one of weakness and lower prices. So it looks to me like the odds are against the buyers. They've done a great job leading up to this point because they allow the market to stay elevated above this buy pocket, but that's about it. When you see a market being controlled by buyers, you want to see the price elevate, continue to go higher, continue to reach new levels. And we're not seeing that as these buyers has been maintaining this buy pocket. This is treated like a launching pad. You want to see price bounce from this pocket and continue to go up and stair step its way higher. As you can tell, that is not occurring. That's not happening. So we have a couple more hours on this two-day price bar, and it looks weak to me. I mean, it is what it is. Same thing on the 3. This last printed 3-day price bar is telling us, hey, the market in XRP is not bullish, and is coming off of this 3-day price bar right here to where we received all of this volume, and the price closed off of the highs. Look at this on the 4, 7 hours, 53 minutes left, and our signal is already being triggered. It's telling us that this cryptocurrency is not strong. Here it is on the 4. On the 5. Okay, look at XRP on the 2. One more day, 8 hours, and we're still seeing the price close on the bottom of the price bar. 2 weeks, a day and 8 hours, and this 2-week price bar is not giving me any good vibes for price to go up. I'm not seeing it. Look at this on the 3. Same thing on the 3 as well. Now, we still got a day and 8 hours, so I give the market more freedom to convince us that these buyers are going to hold this pocket. But as of right now, I'm not convinced. Here it is on the 5. So it looked like the market participants in XRP is definitely trying to bring down the value of XRP. I'm a realist. It is what it is. Especially right here on the monthly chart. We have 2 more days, 8 hours, and look at the price bar right now for the month of March. So I'm looking for the market to go down. All that just to say, I'm looking for XRP to go lower. The only thing that I would be paying attention to, hopefully I reiterated that enough on this video, is looking for the market buyers continually trying to hold this pocket. That will be the only thing that will go against this price prediction. Now, since I'm expecting that to not happen, we're going to create a next area of buying. So the next area of buyers, I would think, will be right around this particular area right here. So we're going to make this the next pocket of buying. Okay, that's going to be a target for us in XRP. Okay, and then our next target will be here. So let me get rid of this buy pocket, and we're going to create this buy pocket right there. Okay, so we're going to target these 2 areas, and that's what I want people to be prepared for, is that this is the only lever, the only platform, the only plateau that is keeping this market from not crashing. Okay, this is it. This is the only lifesaver. Once this breaks, it could make a more dramatic move to the downside. Here's XRP on the 330. I'm doing the 330 because I want to see there's another pocket of buying. It looked like it's right here. Okay, so I think initially, as we do see this market continue to decrease in price, that next pocket is going to try to be right there, just like it hit in XRP on February the 3rd. Okay, so let me get rid of this buy pocket right here, because in the long term, I don't think that's going to hold. And we're going to drop a prediction right now, looking for XRP to go down. Okay, first target is going to be right here at the first buy pocket, 16.3% at $1.74. It might bounce at the top. Cool. I'm just trying to hit that vicinity. That's where I'm targeting. And then our next target will be all the way down here in XRP around $1.33 to $1.25 at the second buy pocket. That is 40% move down. That's a crash. All right, so that's where we at now. I don't know how long it's going to take, but I think the general direction in XRP is going to be one of downward move. I think the higher probability of where price is headed is down from what we've seen on these different time frames. Okay, so that's it. I'm done. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.